Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to wash and prep your bundles before install. First, you're just going to want to plug your sink and add some warm water with a couple pumps of shampoo. If you're like me and you're using colored hair, I would advise you to use cold water instead of warm. I'm going to be using 3 body weight bundles in a closure from Amazon. While the water runs, I'm just going to go ahead and insert the bundles into the water just so that it can get soaked in the shampoo. Here I was just showing you how the bundles and closure look before putting it in the water. The bundles did have a little shedding prior to me finger combing it or combing it regular. So now you're just going to want to take a couple pumps of shampoo and just lather it on each bundle. This is about how much hair shed after finger detangling. With curly hair, you're going to want to be gentle just so you won't get too much shedding or tangling afterwards. And you're going to want to scrunch the water or shampoo out of the hair instead of rubbing the hair together. As you can see, as I'm like scrunching the water out of the bundles, you can see the color kind of bleeding through the hair. This is why I use cold water instead of warm. I then went in with the dimming brush just to get a good comb through of the hair, make sure that the shampoo got through every strand. I didn't get a clip of me rinsing the shampoo out. You're just going to rinse the bundles and repeat the same process with conditioner. I hope that this video was helpful. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment.